Find the inverse of the matrix if it exists. So this is a 2 by 2 matrix, so it has a formula, which is this one right here. So if I have a 2 by 2 matrix, then its inverse is going to be this. Now, the only thing that can make it so it doesn't exist is going to be if this is 0, because then you get 1 over 0, which is undefined. So I'm going to check this piece right here first. So AB minus BC, AD minus BC to see what that is. So if you look up here, it's this diagonal minus this diagonal. And on ours, it's going to be 3 times 9 minus 4 times 7. So that's 3 times 9 minus 4 times 7. 3 times 9, which is 27, minus 4 times 7, which is 28. Add those together, you get negative 1. So I'm going to put that on the back burner. So I'm going to know that that's negative 1. So now I know this piece is negative 1. So my inverse is going to be 1 over that thing I just found, which is going to be negative 1. And then on my matrix, what I'm going to do is I'm going to switch A and D and negate these two. So if you notice, these two get switched. This stays the same, but they get negated. So you end up getting, on ours, is going to be 9 and a 3, a negative 4, and a negative 7. Now I'm going to multiply this negative 1, since that's negative 1, into all of this, which gives me the matrix negative 9, 4, 7, negative 3. Now this is my inverse matrix right here. And that's actually my answer. But I'm going to show that this actually is an inverse. And I know that if I take A and I multiply it by my inverse, it will give me my identity matrix, which is that 1, 0, 0, 1 matrix. So let's see if that really is true. So I have A, which is going to be 3, 7, 4, 9. And we're going to multiply that by my inverse, which is negative 9, 4, 7, negative 3. Now to multiply matrices, remember it's this times this to give me that first one, this times this to give me the second one, this times this, and this times this. So we're going to end up getting that first one, which is this times this. So 3 times negative 9 plus 4 times 7. Well, 3 times negative 9 is negative 27. Plus 4 times 7, which is 28. 28. And then I have my next one, which is going to be this times this. So I got 3 times 4 plus 4 times negative 3. 3 times 4 is 12. 4 times negative 3 is negative 12. And then this one, 7 times this, which is going to be 7 times negative 9, which is negative 63. And then 7 times negative, and then 9 times 7 is 63. And then I have the last one, which is going to be this row in this column. So 7 times 4 is 28, and then 9 times negative 3 is negative 27. So this will become 28 minus 27. Combine all these together. Well, negative 27 plus 28 is 1. 12 minus 12 is 0. Negative 36 plus 36 is 0. And then 28 minus 27 is 1. And if you look here, you end up getting your identity matrix. Now, you don't have to do this. I just wanted to show you what an inverse actually does.